my pet named Tommy stuck up on that big tree. It rode so fast, and you will climb it, right, Mom?
Yes.
And so my mom is climbing. Mom, the branches are breaking.
Tommy, come here. Yeah, we get stuck. Tommy get stuck. Tommy, come here.
Tommy. Oh. Should we call the fire department? Mom, we should call the fire department. The tree's breaking. This is not incredible. The trees are gonna fall. Yahoo! I just so congratulated. Yahoo! This is so incredible. That's called a cat saving video. Oh, they're drinking together, Mom.
Yeah. Welcome home, Tommy.
Welcome home, Tommy. I love you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Mom. I love you, Mom.
You're welcome. I do it for you because I love you.
Because I love you too, Mom. And I love Tommy too.
No. Are you happy now? Huh?
I'm so glad that my mom get my cat from the big giant tree. I hope the big giant tree won't fall off. It wouldn't be cool if the big tree would fall off. Yes, my own cat likes water and food and all. I hope you enjoyed this new episode. Thank you for watching. Happy ending. Bye.